So today I'm gonna be showing my trade recap. You can tell, yeah, my hair is kind of fucked. I just woke the fuck up. I slept hella late last night. Should have filmed this trade recap last night, but yeah, I'm gonna film it now. So let me go through the trade that we took in the Discord. I called out last night, and I'm just gonna walk you through my protocols and how I caught this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful trade. Okay, so starting out, I'll go on the high time frame on the hourly, and I'll look at what my bias is today, so I can tell we're obviously trending upwards. So my trend for today would be fucking bullish. So one thing is I will mark out hourly highs, hourly lows. One here, hourly high, hourly low. The breaker block here, hourly low, hourly low, hourly high. So these areas are high liquidity areas, I would say, on the high time frame. So always have your bias and high time frame liquidity. Now we're going down on the low time frame on the M5, where we'll mark out low time frame liquidity. So here, here M5 low, M5 low, M5 low, M5 low, M5 low. So this is areas that I want to see where price floods down before we continue higher, because that's what always fucking Nasdaq does when market opens. Yeah, so basically we see price went up first pre-market, flood down to these lows, flood down to these lows, flood down to these lows, but didn't touch these lows. So we saw a strong rejection of these lows here. So we go to the M1 to enter my trade. Oh my fucking god. And you're just being a bitch. Okay, so fuck. Yeah, MacBook does this shit. Okay, give me a give me a second. I didn't mean to zoom in like that. Man, I don't like using trackpads, man. I don't like using trackpads. Okay. Okay, this should be fine. My fingers, this is a whole on finger exercise. Just just opening up. Just opening it the fuck up, bro. This whole finger fucking exercise. Okay. So we could see price floods down here. Let me delete this and have show you a full walkthrough. So we saw flood down, wick down, body closed above. So on the M5 you could see there was a very strong rejection, a strong wick there. On the M1 we saw price did not close below this area, but usually liquidity it could close below here and only do a U-turn up. For this, it's a very strong closure above this zone, so we know that this zone would be a very strong zone. One thing would be inverse fair value gap that was made here. So an inverse fair value gap. So we inverse the fair value gap here. Okay, we inverse the fair value gap here. Pushed up. Another one was retraced. We retraced down. Yeah, we retraced down here. We retraced all the way down here, and we hit equilibrium here, and we pushed higher. So what I was waiting for was a break of structure here from the upside. So we inverse that fair value gap. We hit equilibrium for our fucking retracement, and we broke structure to the upside. So this gives us 3 confluences, another liquidity sweep, if you could count that. 4 confluences to enter this trade, which is fucking majestic as trade. You could see price just continues to go up, and where I would put my TP would be London session highs here, where we marked out previously on hourly, where it was 1 hour highs. So high time frame liquidity. So that's where I would target here. So it's very clean 1-to-4 risk to reward ratio trade, which I actually took this trade while drinking fucking beer. And I only technically drank 1 jug. And I'm not a really drinker, and it made me fucked up, made me blow that shit, and I woke up with my hair all frizzy and shit. Just don't drink, man. Just don't drink, and don't drink while trading. Don't learn from me, okay? That's a terrible way, but this trade was something else. It was really something else. But yeah, just to walk through again with you guys. Most important is find. Oh, let me change this. Find. Oh my fucking god. Oh my god. I told you. I told you. This was a bitch. Nasdaq's just being a bitch. Okay, find. We need to find daily bias. That's number one. Okay, remember. Wait, why is it not writing it out? Okay, we gotta find our daily bias. That's number one. We need to find our hourly highs and lows liquidity. Yep, hourly highs and lows liquidity. Okay. Another one is low time frame liquidity. 5 minute. I usually use the 5 minute. Okay. Low time frame liquidity on the 5 minute. Next we wait for a market open. See rejection of low time frame liquidity. Okay. After that, rejection was the investor value gap, and for the continuation, okay, we need to uh see continuation to your bias. This is important. Okay, we need to first find its daily bias. Secondly, hourly highs and lows. Low time frame liquidity, mark it out. Wait for market to either take a shit to the downside or rocket up to the upside, and see what the daily bias is. See a rejection of the low time frame liquidities, or maybe price is strong that day and it retests the high time frame liquidity. Same thing, but low time frame works, high time frame works. So maybe we can vice versa, So we could maybe see price go up to the hourly highs, high time frame liquidity, and we can take our TP and low time frame liquidity, or we can use low time frame liquidity and mark out our TP to be at high time frame liquidity, vice versa. So we need to see a rejection of the low time frame liquidity or high time frame liquidity. So it would be on the M1. I usually take my trade. I would see, for example, rejection would be the inverse fair value gap, and for the rejection would be just now the price closing above liquidity area, and inverse fair value gap. This was the two rejections. We got two continuation was the equilibrium and the break of structure. So we got all this in place. We will get this fucking ass. We're gonna have this beautiful ass 1-to-4 risk to reward ratio trade. Made 1.5k off this, but it's trading is just an art. I don't really care. Don't really care about the fucking money first. Trading is just an art. You can master this, understand the markets, can trade anywhere the fuck you want. On the Discord, I posted I was fucking drinking beer in a random ass bar, and I still took the trade because I've been practicing this, back testing this shit, knowing where price wants to go, knowing what confluences to know to have an A+ setup. And yeah, I don't drink on the job. I also miscalculated my fucking lot size. I put it too small, and I had to enter another one, or else I would have made more money. But yeah, just don't drink while trading. Take this as a case study, and that's basically it. This is basically I'm giving out my sauce on how I caught this 1-to-4 risk to reward ratio with these confluences. Leave in the comments below if you want to understand how to actually apply these confluences, or understand how these equilibrium, fair value gap, inverse fair value gap, order block, breaker blocks, BPR, all these motherfucking ICT things. If you really want to understand more, I can make more videos explaining how how you can identify them and understand these concepts at a better level. So just leave in the comments below or DM me on Instagram. I'll just help you through the entire thing. If any problems, you can always just DM me. I'll reply to your DM as soon as I can. I'll just guide you through anything having trouble with. But yeah, that's basically it for today. And yeah, I promise my hair would not be this fucking fucked in the morning. But yeah, the hotel shampoo was terrible, bro. I had to get a fucking Dove hair repair, 1 minute hair repair mask shit, cause it actually made my hair crispy, bro. I'm telling you, crispy as a McDonald's fried ass chicken. It was crispy as hell, but shit is like soft like a husky hair now. But yeah, shit is not really good, but I really want to give out the most value for you guys, so you can apply this for the next few days, trading days for the strategy. And I really want to see you guys win, and I hope this video actually help you guys understand the markets better and have a better entry on your trades and not getting fucking stopped down and get Jewish faked out by, like, oh yeah, like Jewish fake outs. Yeah, we'll go that we'll go over that in the future. But yeah, always have confluences before entering trades, and always remember what I said here. Okay, these things are important. Please remember these are important, very very important. Go through these. I'm gonna catch very good trades, and as long as you just follow it, you're good. You're really good. You're set. But that's all for today. See you on the next trade recap.